Welcome to a new video. Today I provide Teclast F6 Pro Notebook fingerprint recognition, which available at Gearbest. Let's discuss this notebook in detail. A cost-effective notebook which supports fingerprint recognition, equipped with a 13.3-inch FHD IPS display, brings your photos and videos to life. Powered by Intel Core processor, featuring Intel HD graphics 615, ensures high performance. Main features: Microsoft Windows 10 OS offers more powerful performance, brings you more smooth and wonderful user experience. Intel Core M37Y30 dual core 1.0 GHz, up to 2.6 GHz ultra-low voltage platform and dual-core processing provide maximum high-efficiency power-to-go. Intel HD graphics 615 on-processor graphics with shared video memory provide high image quality for internet use. Basic photo editing and casual gaming, optimized to use less power. 8GB DDR3 RAM for advanced multitasking. Substantial high bandwidth RAM to smoothly run your games, photos and video editing applications. 13.3-inch IPS screen with 1920 by 1080 resolution. IPS FHD 1920 by 1080 display brings you a vivid and colorful visual enjoyment. 128GB SSD storage capacity provides room to store pictures, videos, music and more. Camera for photos and face-to-face chat. 2.0 MP front camera lets you capture memorable moments or chat with friends. Bluetooth 4.2 interface syncs with compatible devices, wirelessly transfer photos, music and other media between the computer and your Bluetooth-enabled cell phone or MP3 player, or connect Bluetooth wireless accessories. Now let's see some more pictures of the notebook. If you are interested in this notebook, link will be provided in the description of the video. Go there and buy it. That's it from this video. If you like this video, then hit like button and don't forget to hit subscribe and bell icons so that you can get my daily tech, gaming and tutorials video notifications. Smile.